We're at Biggs Harley Davidson in San Marcos, and today we're looking at a 2015 Harley-Davidson Softail Fat Boy in vivid black. We have tons of chrome detailing on here as well that look really good. Nice, big, beautiful chrome wheel. Going into the 103 cubic inch engine. We've got rider floorboards, 6-speed. We also have a passenger backrest, an extremely comfortable rider and passenger seat. This bike also has that nice little double pinstripe detailing in silver on it as well. Also has a heel toe shifter on it and some really nice detailing on the leather on the tank. And miles are extremely low. We are 1,273. Again, we're at Biggs Harley Davidson, located in San Marcos, California, and we are open for test rides 6 days a week.